Hello friends, welcome to another video on our channel with another scam product review. This time we are going to review a CBD product called Reason CBD Gummies. Reason Keto Gummies are an unknown product that is buzzing on the internet as the best CBD gummy. Also we saw hype around this product and that is Reason CBD Gummy Shark Tank. But is this true that Reason CBD Gummy was featured on Shark Tank show? What is the real truth behind this CBD gummy? Is this legit or just another scam? Should I buy this product for my stress and anxiety issues? How much it costs and where to buy? So be with this video, we will going to review full. In this unsponsored Reason CBD gummy review, we will try to answer all these questions and more about the ingredient on the basis of medical review studies and our opinion on this product. So let's start our unsponsored Reason CBD gummy Shark Tank review. So what is Reason CBD gummies? Well, this is a candy CBD formula that is claiming that it can help to get rid anxiety, stress and chronic pain and helps to get better mental clarity. This CBD gummy comes in 300 mg bottle that contains 30 gummies, which means each gummy has 10 mg and this is for 1 month supply. We will explore more about the Reason CBD gummies ingredient in this review, so be with this. The product claims that it can provide the maximum health benefits of CBD in a natural way, but there is no test and trial report for the supplement you found, so it raises a question about the safety of this product. But before the side effects and ingredient, we need to know about the who is actually behind this product. The Reason CBD gummy is not a product of a well-known brand or company. This is a creation of an unknown brand that is keeping everything secret about their company. The seller of this gummy is limited to their official website. Even the official website did not say anything about the manufacturer. The shocking thing is that the contact us page of this product is not available. It is a big sign of an inferior company or a product and raise a red flag against Reason CBD gummy. Mostly these type of products come into the scam product as per our experience. Now let's come to the ingredient part. So what is the ingredient of this Reason CBD gummy? This is a big concern every time when you are going to buy a supplement, but a company like this did not share the full list, which is a big concern for Reason CBD gummy choice. Now Reason CBD gummy only talks about CBD and hemp extract, and each CBD uses 10 mg of CBD, which is lower than 25 mg, which brings product low and an effective range of CBD product. However, CBD found good and effective for stress and anxiety, and a lot of study back this benefit. But this product did not provide enough doses of CBD in serving and also not provide any evidence and research for their product. Apart from this all things, there is another thing which is floating around this supplement, and that is Reason CBD gummy Shark Tank. So what is the actual reality of this Reason CBD Shark Tank gummies? Well, this is a scam and 100% fake claim that Reason CBD gummy was featured on Shark Tank show ever. Shark Tank is a very famous show that you can find on abc.com, but this time a lot of scammers using fake Shark Tank pages to increase the demand of their low quality products. We found that there are so many Reason CBD gummy Shark Tank pages, and one of them are shared here. This 4 page of Shark Tank is 100% fake and made by scammers to increase the hype of their low quality products such as Reason CBD gummy, Spectrum CBD gummy, Prime CBD gummy and all. This Reason CBD gummies Shark Tank page is a type of phishing attack where scammers create a copy of other website to post anything they want. But the website URL is completely different from the real Forbes.com. So we can say that the Reason CBD gummy Shark Tank is completely fake and scam. Now let's come to the reviews part of this product. Well, we have seen so many reviews for this product on the Google like Midday and Outlook India websites. But you found that these websites post anything in the sponsored category of their website. All those posts are sponsored and paid, which means there is no involvement of the particular news website in the creation of this post. It means all the Reason CBD gummies reviews are biased and 100% promotional, and believing in those reviews is a bad idea. We did not get any real customer reviews for this Reason CBD gummies because all these sponsored and paid reviews are ranking on the Google first page. So it is hard to find real customer reviews for this product or such or other products. So is Reason CBD gummy is a scam? Yes, it is completely a scam product, and so many points and facts says that this is another Shark Tank CBD scam, as we have explored on our website too. So we do not suggest Reason CBD gummy right now to anyone. All this hype around this product is fake, such as Reason CBD Shark Tank. It is nothing more than a scam and product from our point of view. Well, there are so many good products available in the market. You can try them instead of falling into this scam product. There is no third party test of this product, no idea about this seller, and no clear supplement facts label on the official website, which proves that this is a low quality type product. If you really want something good and effective, then we suggest to consult a professional or try another supplement for your health. For more such videos, follow on our channel and also follow us on our social media handles. Thanks for watching.